in Marathi there is a song, Deha Devache Mandir. I think you know, Mr. Yogesh. Deha Devache Mandir. So, Soul Temple is a good theme, I think. And I wish to explain it in Vedic terminology. Uh, we everybody know the temple, and in Sanskrit there is a Rupak. We compare our human design with temple. If you compare our human design with temple, then see the temple, the base of temple is our feet. The base of temple we compare with our feet. The garbhagraha of temple we compare with our body. The shikhar we compare with our head. The kalash compare with our shikha. The cement, reti, and all these things used is compared with our made skin and other muscular part of our body. The steel used in mandir, in temple, is compared with our bones, asthi, and you know uh, the temple's entry is our face. When we enter in temple, the entry is our face, and the ringing, that bell is our sound. Our sound is compared with the bell, and pindika, the on which our god on situated on that pindika is our heart, and that god is our soul. That god is our soul. So this is a rupak of soul temple in Vedic terminology. Yeah, it means this is Dvaita and Advait terminology. In Dvaita, there is a Murti Puja. We do Murti Puja. In Advaita, our soul is our God. So I like Dr. Yogesh, the soul temple theme. So thanks to Dr. Yogesh, first of all. So my topic is related to uh, ancestral healing on DNA. The impact of ancestral healing on DNA. Everybody knows the Pitru Paksha. Pitru Paksha is a month of September. In month of September, we do all pujas for in favor of ancestors. So our DNA healing now, epigenetics is a new topic in world. Epigenetics for repairing of our DNA. Now there are a lot of things used to repair DNA. First of all is sound and music. Just we heard just now, मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है. So this is also method to repair our DNA. So sound and music produce torsion spin waves of sound. Words and affirmations also, as Dr. Yogesh said. Thoughts and thinking produces electrical currents that generate torsion waves of light. And emotions and feelings. And emotions and feelings is also a process to heal our DNA. So my topic is connected to emotions and feelings and Shraddha. My father and me written a book on Shraddha. This is book uh, which all priest performs Shraddha in everybody's house. They refer this book how to perform. So Shraddha is my subject out of all Vastu, astrology, and other things, because it is connected to our ancestors, and our DNA is a abstract of their memory and history. So Tarpana is very important part in our life. Who the The Pandit, every Pandit does it every day, Tarpana.
What is Tarpana?
But Tarpana is a process of doing water in favor of our ancestors by taking their name. I will explain it. Before that, I want to explain some DNA facts with related to my subject. So first we need to understand what is meant by cell. So the cell is a basic structure of the body, and the human body is built of billions and trillions of cells. Cells of different organs vary according to their function. Each cell contains the hereditary material and can make copies of themselves by reproducing and multiplying. After a specific lifespan, the old cells die off. So it is about all DNA structure related to my subject, but it is very lengthy. So I go on DNA base pair up with each other, A with T and C with G to form units called base pairs. Each base is also attached to a sugar molecule and phosphate molecule. Together, a base, sugar, and phosphate are called nucleotide. So, nucleotides are arranged in two long strands that form a spiral called a double helix. The structure of the double helix is somewhat like a ladder with the base pairs forming the ladder's rungs and the sugar and phosphate molecules forming the vertical side pieces of the ladder. As said above, an important property of DNA is that can replicate or make copies of it itself. Such each strand of DNA in the double helix can serve as a pattern for duplicating the sequence of bases. This is critical when cells divide because each new cell needs to have exact copy of DNA present in the old cell. The mysterious element of all is water. It affects and influences us, and it is very difficult for us to avoid being influenced. Only affecting the water in man's body can any radiation gain access to him. Moon has the indirect connection with water in our body. Human psych Chandrama Manaso Jata Chakshoho Surjo Ajayata. Ye, this is one mantra from Purusha Sukta. When we do Tilatarpana to Pitras, deceased ancestors, which is the specific form of Tilatarpana involving libations offered to the Pitris using water and sesame seeds. During Pitru Paksha, while doing so, we twist our right hand clockwise. See, during Pitru Paksha, while doing so, we twist our right hand clockwise like this, like this. So, to flow over the palm and thumb to pour the water with great devotion, gratitude. This creates this creates clockwise entropy, means entropy torsion field before us. Our mind being connected to the past, Pitrus who are awaiting for this will be satisfied and return to their abodes. DNA strands which have mismatched because of UV rays will be replaced and our memory will be restored properly. Another profound effect would be of DNA base repairing affected by UV radiations throughout the year, which would happen in the month of September, Pitru Paksha. While doing Tarpana, the human psyche will tune to the frequency when we twist our hand to let go the water through thumb right downward like this. Importance of DNA healing, our daily thoughts and intentions uh, alter the frequency of our vibrations and subsequently our DNA. Simply switching the energy of your daily thoughts can have a profound impact on our physical being. Too often are we consumed by the ego and area of the brain. Scientists have recently pinpointed to be found in the default mode network. Though our consciousness may exist externally from our bodies, the ego exists internally and can consume our thought patterns. Focusing our intentions and actions on the self, recognizing this, acknowledging it, and allowing your mind to remove itself from the body, and the ego can provide a third person perspective. This act of abstraction from the individual can help you remove yourself from egoic uh, behavior, allowing you to instead think from a place inclusivity, acceptance, and love. In turn, this can change our frequency and activate DNA to vibrate at a higher level. So this is the basic my research which I had done on Pitru Paksha and DNA healing process. We use what we said, the black seeds, काले तिल को क्या कहते हैं अनु जी? काले तिल को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? काला तिल. The seeds, I think. The black. We use all these things. Yeah. Black.
What is it called?
Seeds, I think.
Sesame seeds.
Black sesame seeds.
Black sesame seeds.
Black sesame seeds. Yes. And we use darbha. Darbha is connected to our green color also, because we know green is the primary color of our Mother Earth, because the planet vibrates to the frequency of love or the heart. Green also can be found in the middle of the color scale in the rainbow. So we use grass of green color, which we call darbha. And by using all this material with water element, we do tarpana in favor of our ancestors, and that is which is very useful in Pitru Paksha. Often I saw the people gives something to anath ashram and dan to any person, but it is not a process of doing Pitru ancestors puja. You should do tarpana in Pitru Paksha. You should do shraddha with pinda. The pinda concept is connected with brahmanda. Pindite brahmandi, as we say in Sanskrit. The pinda is a body, and when we call our ancestors on that pinda, that is soul. So it is a connection of soul and pinda and brahmanda. Pinda is a physical body, and when we call our ancestors by their name, it is connected to our three generations, means father, grandfather, and grandfather. This is three generations come, and their abstract is our DNA. So it is a very simple process to repair our DNA and satisfy our ancestors, to improve our energy, and all these things are connected with our emotions and feelings. So I think everybody should do tarpana in the favor of our ancestors at their tithis, at that time they deceased. So this is my subject. I'm not so fluent in English, but Anu always encourage me and give a platform like this. So thanks to Anu. So if everybody have question.
काहीच फरक पडत नाही कोणत्या लँग्वेज मध्ये बोललं. What is important?
I want to say something.
Yes.
Prasad ji, I don't believe in ritual. I used to not believe in rituals a lot, and my father was very ritualistic. He was almost like a pandit, and he said ke mere marne ke baad na, you do this Narayan Nagbali puja. Okay. And so for my son also, some astrologer came in my workshop, and my son was having a tough time in studies. Actually wanted to do music, and my family said no, he should study, we all doctors, something. So they said Narayan Nagbali. So I said okay, let me do it. So I went to Trambakeshwar, and in Trambakeshwar with the Purohit, people who do this puja, exactly what he said, tarpana, pindi, you do it basically in a Shamshan Ghat, the puja is done for 3 days. We have to stay there with them. And funnily, my family agreed, my wife and my son, to come along. And that time there was holiday also for him. It was like the whole universe conspired for us to go there. And we did it. And I saw there what the Purohit who was doing all this, the Pandit, he was an IT engineer. Okay. And
Okay.
his family is also very well studied. And they're saying this is amazing business. That's why we are doing it. And we love this work. Since generations they are doing it. And they're very rich people, very rich Pandits there. Okay. And they were doing this for 60 people at a time. They are very methodical. They are like Germans. Perfectly done. Everything is eyes on everybody. No, this is wrong. Right hand is to go this way. The grass is not held properly, and the pindi, etc. And then you have to do, the entire death ceremony is done. You're actually performing the death ceremony, etc., etc. And I saw a parallel. Why I'm telling you this, Prasad ji, is I do
Okay.
family constellations. And in
Okay.
family constellation, we work with ancestors. In fact, on Sarva Pitri Paksha, something like that,
Yes,
I
yes.
had announced ancestral healing just now in September. And somebody told me it is Sarva Pitri Paksha. I did not know it. And that's the day, it's somehow it merged. And there I saw exactly the concepts of family constellation. And what this Pandit was doing were matching exactly how we take representatives there of ancestors. There are pindis and things what he was doing, how you have to speak and what words you have to say is exactly what are the statements in family constellation that we were using. And it is so amazing that these concepts match so beautifully, which are already there in the Vedas since thousands of years. So thank you, Prasad ji, for once again renewing that.
Okay.
Ah,
And
can you also explain what is actually Pitra? Because there are people sitting who may not understand it.
no, there is a Saudhnya of Pitra means our ancestors, means our father, our grandfather, and all the people comes after them.
Yeah.
So this is our ancestors, and they are with their wife also. Means there are we consider 3 generations only, because I think DNA have memory and history of 3 generations only, by filter, and only 3 generations abstracts come in our DNA, and we are representative of that DNA. So samskar, there are 2 samskars. One is physical, and second is we call sthul and sukshma. Other is quantum, and second one is external samskar. Means if some samskars come from our ancestors.
Sanskar means what does sanskar really mean?
Sanskar means it's a what we say, our culture gives us.
Okay.
Our culture gives us.
Okay.
Means sanskar.
Values and
Impact.
principles.
It's a impact.
Values and principles.
Yes.
Values and principles. Okay.
Values and principles. So I think it comes from our ancestors, and we see our father, mother, in which way they are talking, in which way they are fighting, in which way they are helping each other. These are all external sanskar, principle impacts in our mind, and some impacts come from our ancestors, and by this way our personality becomes. So ancestors is very important part of our life. In Vedic terminology, this says the houses there where the puja of ancestors not done, the some issues are there always. Means they are not satisfied. They always quarrel at the time of eating. Some issues like this. So it shows in our horoscope also. If our guru goes in eighth house, then it is a problem of pitru dosha. So pitru dosha is very important to heal all these type of problems. We should do puja in favor of our ancestors.
So basically it is accepting our ancestors and acknowledging their presence in our life even when they are not there.
Yes, with gratitude.
With gratitude, obviously.
So I had one question.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. So like how y'all are explaining on this group की whether त्र्यंबकेश्वर मराठीत बोलते मी त्र्यंबकेश्वरला जाऊन तुम्ही नारायण नागबळी केला
हा
किंवा तुम्ही अशी पूजा केली तर त्याच्यानंतर असे गुरुजी म्हणत असतात की नाही का तुम्ही असा फायदा होईल किंवा संकटे दूर होतील किंवा तुमचे प्रॉब्लेम्स और वॉट एव्हर यू आर फेसिंग इन लाईफ some bad effects of something that will be resolved. But I think that personally, whether any research has been done on this first thing I want to ask.
I am
And
doing this research on this topic. So actually, what happened? It is related to our DNA. You heard about epigenetics? आपने सुना होगा ना epigenetics?
Yes, I've heard, but you could explain it better.
Epigenetics is a science which used in America also. They do some therapy on our pituitary gland, and it is very connected to this the Vedic terminology. So you go on Google, search the epigenetics. There is a one paper also published, clinical paper. So I am doing research on this topic, not yet completed. This is very quantum level theory. So in Marathi we say ज्या घरी श्राद्ध होत नाही तिथे रक्त पिणारे प्राणी येतात. For example,
He's saying at the houses where Shraddh, where the ancestors are not taken care of, over there you have creatures which should not be existing exist over there.
You could say the negative energy is also more over there. Percentage of negative energy is more in that household.
Yes.
yes, 100%. कुछ लोगों को संतति नहीं होती, कुछ लोगों को उन लोगों के बीच में प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, वो हमेशा झगड़े करते हैं, तो मतलब उनके एक साथ रिलेशन खराब होते हैं, तो ये सब रिलेटेड टू आवर एंसेस्टर्स है. सो देयर इज वन लेडी इन पुणे, मेधा खाजगीवाले. she is doing research on this, and she is doctorate on life after death. She is very master in this subject. So I am doing research on this, but this is related to our DNA also. This repairs our DNA because it is related to our emotions and feelings. So श्राद्ध means श्रद्धया क्रियते इति श्राद्धः, जिसमें feelings हो, gratitude हो, वही श्राद्ध होता है. So it is very important part of our life because we are representative of their abstract, which comes from our DNA, comes in our DNA.
Wow.
So when you
How much?
आप अगर स्मरण भी करते हो उनका, पितृ लोगों का, और उनको ग्रेटिट्यूड देते हो, तो फिर भी आपके डीएनए हीलिंग होते हैं. So
One question.
Okay.
One question. One of my friend, she had gone to Trimbakeshwar because she did not have any issues. She did not have any children. So someone told her कि you should go to Trimbakeshwar आणि तिथे दान धर्म केल्यानंतर आणि नारायण नागबळी किंवा तिथले सगळे पूजा अर्चा केल्यानंतर तुझ्या अशी अशी इच्छा पूर्ण होणार आहे. She has done this nearly 3 to 4 times, but she doesn't see the results. I don't know what is the reason, but yes, I know many Gurujis there, but yes, I have told her, I've suggested her that you may go to a different one each time and try it. It's like a trial basis. Then she did it that way. But then she has not seen the result. She's not had any, she doesn't have any children as it.
Sometimes there is some problems like which type of problems you have?
She doesn't have children.
Oh.
तर तिला कोणीतरी सांगितलं की तिकडे जाऊन पूजा केल्यानंतर श्राद्ध तर्पण हे सगळं केल्यानंतर ancestors will be happy किंवा मग पितृदोष निघून जाईल आणि पितृदोष गेल्यानंतर कदाचित you may conceive and get children. पण तसं काही झालं नाही. आज 15 वर्ष झाले, she doesn't have any children, and of course because of that she has gone into depression also. Somewhere family is disturbed, of course. And
translate you for other people. So she's talking about a friend of hers who's gone and
Yes.
all the pujas done. The lady does not have a child of her own. And the question is, why is it even after doing 3 times this puja that the lady has not still had the result of getting a baby? And so that's her question.
yeah, and if she was told की इफ यू गो अँड म्हणजे पितरांचा दोष असेल तर तो दोष दूर केल्यानंतर तुला मूल होऊ शकतं. सो आय डोंट नो इफ दिस वॉज द थिंग देन वाय शी डिड नॉट गिव्ह एनी सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी रिझल्ट्स.
Thank you, Meenakshi ji, for your Kamakshi ji, for your question. But I think when we have to see her horoscope, because sometimes in horoscope we see there is no chance of any santatis, children. So I don't know. In research, there is also some statistically uh, figures, 70%, 60% result. If result coming positive, then it is working. So I don't give any. I send her horoscope to me.
Yeah, Kamakshi, just send
Okay.
her, ask her to connect with Sri Prasad. He's amazing with his work,
Of course, sure.
able to help
Yeah.
out.
Anuji,
Sure.
this Kamakshi ji is also very well-known consultant, and Kamakshi ji, give your introduction. Hello.
Yeah, I am. Should I give my introduction?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. At present, okay, I suddenly joined in between, but thanks for giving me this opportunity, Mr. Prasad. Yes, I have done my MBA in finance, and of course, I am a nutritionist first because it's my favorite subject. And basically, I'm a national trainer. I've done NSDC course. I've completed it in A grade. And yes, I'm a national trainer. I'm covering many topics related to women, related to life modification skills, and also my most important topic, which I'm conducting in schools and colleges, is the red dot story, which is really appreciated by the women. And I'm working over the girl child. Basically, I am really interested in uplifting and empowerment of women today.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Kamakshi, why don't you connect with me and we might have
Yes.
her
मैं
on.
Sure, Anu, I would love to.
अनुजी, मैं वही कहने वाला था कि मैंने अभी मैं वही उनको कहने वाला कि joined with Anu.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Prasad. Thank you, Anu.
Welcome.
Welcome. 99308 98116.
In the chat box. Could you put in the chat box?
Yes.
Please, I'll write it down.
You were also talking about another lady who's doing research in life after death. I would be really interested in knowing more about her.
मेधा खाजगीवाले.
Yes. Oh my God. Why is this not going through? Okay, I don't know why my message is not going through. 1 minute. Everyone. Okay. There. Okay. So thank you so much, Sarji. Thank you, बहुत shukriya. Not only did you give us knowledge, but you also gave us some more speakers. And that's what I love about this forum. I said, friends and friends of friends. So the whole idea is, it's not the language that's important. It's the message behind the language that's important. Sometimes we get so caught up in the intricacies of the language that we lose out on the knowledge and wisdom hiding behind it. I would only say this: you have something to share. Connect with me, and I'm sure we'll be able to put it down in very simple words across to people. You have something to share. Don't lose a chance sitting at home. Connect with me, and I need people to connect with people. And that's my job right now. And it feels like a huge soul purpose. So thank you for allowing me and giving me the support that I'm getting right now. So right now, with folded hands, I call this whole session into a closure. To meet again on the 9th with two wonderful ladies. We'll have Cora Klepp from Germany. She will be talking about her life story. And we'll have Binaifa, who has been doing Kauri reading for you. She's completed 100 sessions today. And we complete 229 plus 100 sessions, which is 329 sessions actually. So its counting is not important, but the numbers are always understood. And that's why I'm giving you that number. What's important is to acknowledge that we continuously, consistently continued. It wasn't easy. It really wasn't easy. There were times when I gave up, and there were times when I said, why am I doing this? And then it just felt so right, so complete, that if I don't meet you at night, when I'm not doing it, I sit down and ask myself, what am I doing anyways? So I might as well spend my time meeting you all, connecting with you all. And Yogesh is absolutely right. Universe really supports and really stands behind your back. Because to be really honest, I didn't know I knew so many people, so many speakers, and all parts of the country, including Israel. We had 2 speakers from Israel. We had plenty of speakers from Australia, and they will come back again. And that's big, big gratitude to each and every one of you. Thank you again, and we'll meet again. Bye-bye.
Thanks to you, Anu, also.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. It was a nice meeting. Thank you, all of you. Nice to meet you all here.
Thank you, Yogesh. Prasad.